Hi, my name's Troy Gaia. I'm one of the key account managers here at Tradesales. And what you're looking at here today is one of our heavy duty storage solutions. This being in particular one of our heavy duty site boxes that has a fair few custom features off of our standard line. The standard features being that there's four-way forklift access, both front, back, side to side. It also offers a positive locking mechanism, so when it sits in pallet racking, it locks into place. It offers heavy duty rubber seals to prevent water and dust entering in the unit and saving whatever's inside the unit. It's stackable 3 high, and also the other thing is it offers both key lock functionality as well as padlockable functionality. Having it 3 stackable means that you're able to save real estate in the laydown yard by being able to stack 3 high and then move them as need be. So this project in particular features 36 heavy duty site boxes. Each box being a different color means that when it goes back to the central distribution hub at Centurion, means that that particular site owns that box, and when it goes onto the truck to that site, it goes with everything else that's needed to be. So these heavy duty site boxes will be used to transport small freight items to site. Now that small freight that would normally be sent to site would normally be on a pallet wrapped in several layers of plastic to preserve the integrity of the assets. So these heavy duty site boxes are both designed in Western Australia at our Welshpool location, and then are built and fabricated just outside of Northam at our Grass Valley factory.